Alright, you guys, I just finished this vehicle. I used no water whatsoever to wash it. Okay. She just did a vacuum and a wash. This is a dry car wash. Okay. Tell me what you guys think. Like and subscribe. Oh, that's the golden rule. Okay. No water whatsoever. Not even a drop. Alright. You see the results. We come on location and we do it there. Okay. Okay. And we are gonna ask the customer what she actually think about it. So what do you think about your cleaning? How you like it so far?
It's okay. Look sparkling and it's clean. I am satisfied.
Okay. So you would give the company a second
Of
and
course.
a third. All right.
Of course.
So how much you grade us from out of 10?
Out of 10, 9.
Oh, okay. You see it? She loved it. She really does. Yeah. She really love it. So you guys give us a call. You see our number in the description and leave your comment. Okay? Yes. I would love to do a job for all of you. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.